How to set all posts to only me on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now it's very simple to do this. All you want to do is open up your Facebook application, and then on the top left, press the three lines. Then go over to settings and privacy, and then we're going to go ahead and open it up. Now, once we're here, we're going to see a lot of different things, but all you want to do is go ahead and scroll down, and then you're going to see audience and visibility. So you want to go to posts, and it's going to say who can see your future posts. All you want to do is switch it to only me, and which is going to be right at the bottom right here, and then we can go ahead and press save right there. What I could also do is go to activity log for previous posts, and then go to your Facebook activity. Now I want to press manage posts, and then all I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and press filters right here, and then I'm going to go to categories and switch it to your posts, photos, and videos, like so. Then I'm going to press all, and then on the bottom right, I'm going to press the three dots. I'm going to press change audience. So I'm going to go ahead and press change audience again. And all I want to do is switch it to only me, like so.